From design and engineering to manufacturing, delivery, and installation, Acurlite is your turnkey provider of state-of-the-art commercial, heavy-duty skylight systems. An Acurlite skylight system outperforms the competition thanks to our internally guttered, tubular construction that is based on the rain screen principle of pressure equalization to help keep water out. The Skylight is joined together by our trademark mortise-and-tenon interlocking system. Shop assembled at our location, it can then be shipped whole or in easy-to-assemble, partially fabricated pieces. Enjoy faster and easier installation without on-site headaches. Relationships are the true core of Acurlite's business philosophy. First-time customers become repeat customers, and long-time customers become true friends. Our communication keeps projects on target and ensures expectations are exceeded. We treat every project and customer as a true asset to our organization and strive for the best customer service possible. We want each customer to know and understand the Acurlite advantage.
We provide that hands-on experience starting with me, from the top down. Our system is state-of-the-art. We test on an ongoing basis to fine-tune the system and improve it and get more performance out of it. It has a minimum 35-year life cycle design theory behind it, and it's the most powerful product of its kind on the market today.
Our greatest strength lies in becoming a part of your project team, working with the architect, general contractor, and glazing contractor. With this team-centered approach, Acurlite can help provide the best possible skylight solution for your project. Challenges can be identified early on in the process and overcome with unique solutions. Whether you just have a basic concept or highly detailed specifications, trust in the Acurlite system to make the project a success. The Acurlite system is designed and independently tested to exceed industry standards for air, water, and structural integrity. Our systems can be designed to withstand hurricanes, as well as earn Department of Defense and General Services Administration bomb blast certifications. Our system's inherently modular design allows for it to be employed in numerous configurations, including complex geometric designs that have been used on many complex projects with extreme performance and quality requirements. We think each Acurlite skylight is a work of art, a true centerpiece. Advanced software and robotic machinery ensures our products are designed and manufactured to the highest standards for a precision fit and easy installation. A large variety of painted and anodized finishes are available to match the aesthetics of any project, and glazing options such as insulated, heat-strengthened, tempered, silk-screened, or low-E coated glass can radically alter the appearance and functionality of a skylight system. Acurlite's engineering background and design capability, more than 300 years of combined experience, allows us to stand apart from the competition and tackle the most unique designs. Our engineering team has solved many challenges over the years, from hurricane-ready and blast-rated projects to multi-stage guttering systems allowing for the ultimate in water control on complex geometries. Using 3D modeling and printing, we can test specific details and interfaces during the design phase, so the project can move forward with certainty. Complex monumental projects are Acurlite's trademark: the Orlando International Airport, the National Museum of Health and Medicine, Roosevelt High School in Washington, D.C., and the New York Police Academy, to name just a few. Acurlite has made its mark on the commercial construction industry by creating project centerpieces that highlight architectural spaces, drawing natural light inside and creating a more inviting and usable space for occupants and visitors. High-profile projects aren't without their challenges, but we're glad to overcome them and showcase the Acurlite advantage firsthand. Acurlite is more than a skylight manufacturer. Our true strength lies in being a team player in the design and construction process. Our goal is quality, But along the way, we make sure everyone we touch is extremely satisfied with our service, down to every interaction. Repeat business is important to us. It's a key component of how we maintain our growth every year. Take the next step. Contact Acurlite and experience the Acurlite advantage for yourself.